Since I was talking about my wolf guy's powers, how you make potions, um, it's mushroom juice, which it's down here, those three. There is a white one, but I can't fit it in there. But so so basically, how you make your potion. Let's say you have to take one of those green health potion. It's green right here. Health potion. If you want to make health potion, all you have to do is just take one of these green mushrooms and put it in there, and it turns into juice. Not a regular juice. It's just the juices from the mushroom. And you combined, if you want to make more, combine the green and the red together, and it'll make 3 of these. And 30 is what, so if you drink one of them, it will give you 30 health. So basically, you have to do is you have to combine these 2 herbs here, and once it goes here, well, I know it's green and red, but just pretend it's, green. So basically you take that and you combine to this green thing here, the juice, and then it'll make a potion. So if you want to make a fire potion to give you powers, you just use the red, because that's the only one you can use. Just use the red combined to the red juice here, and it'll make a fire potion. Now with the purple, it's lightning juice. You have to, if you want to make more, always use the red and the purple herb, mix them together, and put into this this juice here, that one, because it's purple. It's gotta be the same match of the color. So and same thing like from the this one here. If you want to make ice potion, you have to combine green, red, and purple together, and it will make you ice potion. But when you mix those 3 together, you need a white one in here, but there's not white one. But I'll show you the white one is. That's the white juice right there. So if you have that, you make yourself an ice potion, and then when you drink it, it will give you powers. So let's say for fun, if you ran out of fire potion, let's say for fun if it says 0 on the side, which I should have added, but it's not there. But let's say if it says 0, if you drink one, it will show 30 in there. So how much you use the fire potion, how much you use it on an enemy, it will go back to 0 because it will run out. That's why you have to keep filling it up. But if you drink the whole 3 of those potions, it will go up to 90. So you can have more firepower, so you can burn an enemy or anything. It's the same thing with the lightning and ice. And like I said, the green potion is just for health. That's all it is for. So Yeah, but I should add like a 0 on there, but I forgot. But I'll add it soon. But yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and that's how you make your potions. So take care.